So in this video you will learn how to obtain the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. Suppose these two are two parallel lines, we need to know what's the distance between them, perpendicular distance. Now keep this in mind, when you have a parallel line and you are asked to find the equation of a line that is parallel to one line, this is what you do. You can directly write this ax plus by because they are parallel, by, and instead of this intercept you write another intercept. That's it. හරිම ලේසි. මේ ටික එහෙමමයි parallel lines වලට මෙතන මේ constant එක විතරක් වෙනස් කරනවා. Now we need this distance. Let's say this is point P and this is point Q. How do you get this distance? Say distance dpq. dpq is the distance. Now here's the thing, we learn how to calculate the distance of a point from a line. Suppose this q, now q is definitely on this line. Let's say q is just alpha comma beta. Now we can calculate dpq if we know alpha beta. Given you know alpha beta, we can calculate dpq, right? So what is dpq? dpq would be a alpha plus b beta plus c divided by a squared plus b squared and the square root of that. Now since alpha and beta on this line, this is fairly easy to prove. Since alpha and beta is on ax plus by plus d equals 0, this would satisfy this equation. So this implies a alpha plus b beta plus d equals 0. And notice here we get these two terms and we can obtain a value for these two terms. So a alpha plus b beta must be minus d. Now I can replace this thing by minus d here. Therefore this implies dpq is equal to minus d plus c divided by a squared plus b squared. So dpq c minus d or d minus c, whatever it is, a squared plus b squared. So keep this in mind as well. Similar to the previous one, in this case you can see here that difference between c and d, difference between the intercepts, we can't say that they are intercepts, difference between the constants, let's say difference between the constants, you take the modulus of them and divide by square root of a squared plus b squared. So this come up much, this part come up in many theories. So first this came up in the theory where we learn how to find the distance of a point from a line. Now in this case distance between two parallel lines, and you will see that again, right? Okay, right. So let's do a problem based on this. Right. So find the area of the rectangle ABCD. That is the question. To find the area of rectangle, you need the lengths of the sides. So you can see that ABCD, equation of the sides are given. Now AD is parallel to BC. So x plus y plus 7 equals 0. Again x plus y minus 8 equals 0. Now you have to make sure that they are the same form. If they are different, suppose this is 2x plus 2y minus 16 equals 0, then you have to divide this by 2 and write it in this form. A විදිහටම තියෙන්න ඕනේ x plus y, x plus y. Since these two are parallel, 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1, only the constants are different. Right? So අපිට කෙලින්ම ලියන්න පුළුවන් DAD, right? Distance, all you do is put absolute sign and difference of these two, 10 minus 9 divided by square root of 2 squared plus minus 1 squared. So what is the answer? Here you get 1 divided by, this is root 5 So root 5 divided by 5 is DAD. Then DC, this distance. You have these two lines. Make them constant. 7 minus 8. 7 minus 8 divided by 1 squared, square root of 1 squared plus 1 squared. This is 15 divided by square root of 2. So the answer is 15 root 2 divided by 2. Then finally area, therefore area would be root 5 divided by 5 into 15 root 2 divided by 2. So this cancel out. 3 halves into root 10 units squared. This should be units. This should be units. See how easy this is. මේ formulas ටික මතක තියාගන්න තියෙන්නේ part A එකට proof කරන්න ඉන්නේ part A එකට formulas මතක තියාගන්න. Then straight line and circles මේ දෙකම mix කරලා ඉන්න හින්දා ගොඩක් වෙලාවට proofs අහන්නේ නැති වෙයි. මොකද proof කර කර ඉන්න ගියොත් එහෙම ගාන අහන්න කරගන්න බැරි වෙන හින්දා ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මේ formulas ටික ඔළුවේ තියාගන්න ඕන හොඳයි. Circles වලදී ගොඩක් formulas තියෙනවා. ඊට වැඩිය straight line ඇත්තටම lazy. ඒ හින්දා මේක කරගන්න පුළුවන් තරම්. Right. In the next video, we'll see how to find the equation of the angle bisector between two lines. So we learned how to calculate the angle between two lines, right, in the first video. Then what should be the equation of the line that is the angle bisector, right? That is the angle bisector. So let's learn about that in the next video.